Hi, my name is Nicole Ashley Villamin. I'm 20 years old. My favorite color is red and pink and blue. And I am working student ako and nagtatrabaho sa JNT processing staff. And ang hobby ko is manood ng K-drama and manood ng TikTok. And my birthday is may February 14, 2005. And my my zodiac sign is Aquarius. And apat kami magkakapatid. And my father's name is Rosanto V. Gabriel. And my mother's name is Alicia Villamin. Ang height ko is 4'11", and ang weight ko is 39. And my favorite sport is badminton. Ang favorite movie ko naman is horror siya, is Insidious and The Conjuring. And my favorite singer is Arthur Neri. Ang aking paborito na kanta is Isa Lang by Arthur Neri. And my favorite social media art is Ben and Ben. And my favorite vlogger is Zainab Harake. Nakatara ako sa 304D Santa Teresita Street sa Park Manila. Barangay 411, Zone 42 kami. Favorite ko naman is Mobile Legend. My favorite fruits naman is madami. Sobrang dami, kaya hindi ko na pwede isa-isahin. Favorite ulam ko naman Popeyes, and mahilig ako mag-soft drinks and bumili ng mga chicheria. Yun. Ang favorite ko naman TikTok is si Rose Ordones and si Niana Guerrero. Yun lang.